Hey guys, we're at the house next door to the one I live in that we're renovating and flipping. Still undecided if we're going to move into it, but we're in San Clemente. And I wanted Scott to give you guys an update on some of the things that's been happening on this house. And Scott, why don't you start by telling him what the problem with the house was, how it was sinking?
This house is jacked up. The house had settled, the old foundation had settled about 4 or 5 inches in the back. So we've now gone in,
So it was tilted and leaning down the
tilted and
hill.
leading. The soil underneath the foundation had settled because it wasn't deep enough. So we put in 13 caissons up to 18 feet deep with lots of grade beams and lots of new foundation. And now what we've done is we've put these jacks under the house,
Okay.
resting on the foundation, and we have jacked up, disconnected the house from the foundation, taken the bolts, the nuts off,
What's this called?
the sill plate,
Okay.
and we have jacked up the wood framing off of the concrete. You can see I can put my hand under it. Over around the back, it's up to about 4 inches high. And we are going to be pouring new concrete underneath here to reset the wood on concrete.
And support it all so it won't sink again,
And
right?
support it also, it won't sink again, but it is now jacked up.
You know what people might want to know, how much is this foundation repair costing approximately?
That's a great question. I would guess about 150,000.
Oh, I don't think I knew it was that much. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep you updated with future videos.